Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 7.2 of chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry of grade 10. Sixth question is, if 1, 2, 4y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So this means coordinates of parallelogram are given to us. So let's make a parallelogram first. Let it be A, B, C and D. A as 1, 2. Don't change the order because they have mentioned. So 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5. So these are the coordinates and we should find the missing values, that is x and y. So in this question we will use the property of a parallelogram, that is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So bisect means ratio we will take 1:1. Okay. So let these two be the diagonals and this is the midpoint. Okay. So what we will solve is midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD, because diagonals bisect each other, means whatever is the midpoint of one diagonal, same midpoint of diagonal second should be there. So we will use section formula for this diagonal and section formula for this diagonal, put the values and equate the coordinates we got. Okay, so let's see here. Since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, you should always mention which property you are referring. So we will say midpoint of one diagonal, that is AC, should be equal to midpoint of BD. So let's apply midpoint formula or section formula for one diagonal, for second diagonal, and then equate them. So what is x coordinate in this case? This is for AC. So 1:1 means 1 should be multiplied with x and 1 should be multiplied with 1. So 1 into x plus 1 into 1 over sum of ratios, that is 1 plus 1. Why I am taking 1:1? Because midpoint has division 1:1. So what is y coordinate? This is 1 into 6 plus 1 into 2 over 1 plus 1. So these are the coordinates of AC midpoint. Now let's find BD midpoint. So here it is 1:4. Again ratio is same. 1:4 into 1:3 over 1 plus 1. This is the x coordinate. So for y it will be 1 into y plus 1 into 5 over 1 plus 1. Correct? So now let's solve this. This is x into 1, that is x plus 1 over 2. Here it is 6 plus 2 over 2. On this side this is 4 plus 3 over 2 and y plus 5 over 2. So now if the midpoint is same, this is possible only if x coordinate matches with x coordinate and y coordinate matches with y coordinate, and we will equate them to find the missing values. So therefore x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so this implies x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So what is the value of x? This is, x plus 1 equals to 7. This implies x is equal to 7 minus 1 as 6. So now let's find out y. So this y should be equal to this y. So this implies 6 plus 2 over 2 should be equal to y plus 5 by 2. Okay, so now this is 8 by 2 is y plus 5 by 2. So again you can cancel this or you can cancel these, whatever is your choice. So now what is the value of y? This will be 8 minus 5 as 3. Okay, so our question is find the value of x and y. So x is 6 and y is 3. So I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. So our seventh question is find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is this and B point is this. So let's first make a diagram. So let this be a circle and AB is the diameter with center O. Okay. So A point is missing. So let it be XY. Center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1 4. So do you have any idea? So in which ratio center will divide diameter AB? So this is midpoint of AB, that is ratio will be 1:1. So we will say since O, that is center of the circle, is midpoint of AB, ratio is 1:1. Applying section formula, we will be able to find point A. So here, since O with coordinates 2 minus 3 is the midpoint of AB, okay, therefore O divides AB in the ratio 1:1. So apply section formula and equate those values with the given coordinate. Therefore, what is x coordinate given to us? That is 2. This should be equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into x over 1 plus 1. Okay. So x coordinate of B and x coordinate of A divided by sum of ratios. So this is what 2 is equal to 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus x over 2. Okay, so now cross multiply. So 2 into 2 is equal to 1 plus x. So 4 is equal to 1 plus x. Okay, so x plus 1 is 4. Then what is the value of x? 4 minus 1. So we will get x as 3, right? So now similarly we can find y. This is 1 into 4 plus 1 into y over 1 plus 1 should be equal to minus 3. Similarly, what we will write? 1 into 4 plus 1 into y. 1 into 4 plus 1 into y over 1 plus 1 should be equal to minus 3. We will solve this equation. So that is 4 plus y over 2 is minus 3. Again cross multiply them. So this is 4 plus y. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Okay. And then what is y? So this is minus 6 minus 4. So y is equal to minus 10. Alright. So question was find the coordinates of point A. Therefore what is A? What is the value of x we have calculated? 3 and y is minus 10. So A as 3 minus 10 is the required point. Okay. I hope question number 7 is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. So our 8th question is, if A and B are these points, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. This is again a very important type of question because mostly students will commit mistake in this part. So let's understand this first. This is given that AP is let it be A, let it be B, and let P be somewhere here. So AP is 3 by 7 of AB. So AB is this full line segment, and out of this line segment AP is 3 by 7. So that means total 7 parts are there. So if I make like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total AB is divided into 7 parts. Out of that AP is having 3 parts and PB is having the remaining parts. So mostly students will make mistake here. They will use the ratio as 3:7. No, but this is wrong. Why? Because ratio we need AP with respect to PB. Okay, because we need this ratio. On one side it should be AP. On other side this is PB. But this ratio is AB's full line segment. So main thing is 3 parts are on this side and 4 parts are on this side, because total 7 parts are there. So what is the ratio? This is 3:4. So don't make the mistake that you should also use ratio 3:7. No. So my students will not make this mistake. So you will use the ratio as 3:4. So now let's mark these points. A is -2 and B is 2 as -4. Okay. So this is the main key point of this question, that what is the ratio in which P divides AB. So this ratio is 3:4. So now let Pxy is the required point. So let's solve it. Let Pxy be the required point which divides AB in the ratio 3:4. So never write 3:7. Okay. So now what is the value of x? So x should be equal to 3 should be on this side and 4 should be on the other side. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 over sum of ratio, that is 3 plus 4. So this is 6. 4 into 2 is 8 over 7. So this is -2 by 7 is the value of x. Okay. So now what will be y? So y should be equal to again 3 multiplied by y coordinate, 4 multiplied by y coordinate. So 3 into -4 plus 4 into -2 over 3 plus 4. Okay. So 3 into -4 is -12, -8 over 7. So what will be the value of y? This is -12 minus 8 is -20 over 7. Okay. So what is P then? Therefore, P x as -2 by 7 and y as -20 by 7 is our required point. I hope this is clear. Main thing is what is the ratio in which P divides AB. So this is our 8th question. I hope this is clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.